Good morning. I am from Lokman Tilak School. Uh, let's start chapter number 2, components of food. We will start from bodybuilding nutritions. Okay. Proteins. Proteins are nitrogen containing components made of several small units called amino acid. They are extremely important for growth, repair, maintenance of the body cells. Children, proteins are nitrogen containing components, okay, and made of several small units. Small unit से बनता है जिसे हम लोग called amino acid. They are extremely important. They are very important for our growth, repair, maintenance of our body cells. We know that our body is made up of cells. Protein are required Proteins are required for building new cells. Proteins की requirement क्यों होती है for building new cells and repair भी करता है worn out cell, जो cell worn out हो जाते हैं. Protein helps us to fight diseases, okay, and infection. It helps in fight diseases and infection. Therefore, growing children and sick people who growing children and those people who are sick need a more protein rich diet than others. उनको इसकी ज़रूरत ज़्यादा होती है. किनको? जो ग्रोइंग चिल्ड्रन होते हैं और सिक पीपल होते हैं. ओके. फॉर दिस रीज़न प्रोटीन आर often referred as body building food. Protein are often referred as body building food. Protein are obtained from both से we can get from both plants and animals. Some of the example of protein obtained from plants are soya beans, pulses, peas and groundnut. These are example we obtain from the plants. Meat, egg, fish and milk are some of examples of protein rich food obtained from animals. These food item we get from animals. Protein rich food are known as body building food. Protein rich food we often say bodybuilding food. You can test presence of protein in food item with the help of activity 4. This is a activity you can do it yourself. Okay, now protective food. Protective nutrients, vitamins and minerals. Vitamins are required by our body in a small amount but are essential for keeping us fit and healthy. Protein requirement is a small amount but essential. It is very compulsory. They protect us from various diseases. ठीक है, they are needed in small quantities but are essential for the normal working of our body. They keep us fit and healthy and protect us from various diseases. Green leafy vegetables, is that clear na? Protein, like protein, vitamins and minerals are also uh, for our growth, for they keep us fit and healthy and protect us from various diseases. Protein also protect us from various diseases. Okay, so we should take it compulsory. Green leafy vegetables and fruits are major sources of vitamins and minerals. Okay, green leafy vegetables and fruits are a good source of vitamins. We also obtain these nutrients from milk, meat, fish and egg. Okay, food rich in mineral and vitamins are called protective food. Okay, food rich in protein is called bodybuilding food, but food which rich in uh, vitamins and minerals are called protective food. Salt is also source of mineral. They are approximately 20 known vitamins. Okay. In table 1, list some important vitamins and their sources and the functions. Okay, let's see. Table number 2.1, vitamins and their sources and function. Vitamins, sources and function. They classified in 3 groups. How vitamins are too important for us. विटामिन ए रेटिनॉल. सोर्सेस क्या है, किस किस में विटामिन ए अच्छी मात्रा में पाया जाता है? पपाया, कैरेट, मैंगो, पम्पकिन, मिल्क. कीप आवर आईज एंड स्किन हेल्दी. Vitamin A is essential for our eyes and skin. Okay, so we should take it. Vitamin BA, thiamine source नहीं दिए, required for normal growth and development of our body. Vitamin B2, riboflavin, milk, green vegetables, peas, eggs, cereals and tomatoes. Okay. Essential for proper functioning of nerve in the body. BC, niacin and nicotinic acid required for various reactions taking place in the body. B12, cobalamin essential for protection of blood cells in our bone marrow. Vitamin C, ascorbic acid, amla, green chili, citrus fruits such as oranges, lemons and tomatoes helps our body to fight diseases. C vitamins are so important for us. Vitamin D, calciferol, milk, butter, cod liver oil, eggs helps our body to use calcium for strong bones and teeth. Okay. Vitamin E, tocopherol, whole grains, green leafy vegetable, nuts and olives. Essential for general fitness and good skin. Vitamin K, phytoquinone, green leafy vegetable help in clotting of blood. See how vitamins are important for us. Vitamin B and C are water soluble. Vitamin A, D, E or K are fat soluble. Okay. Okay children, read this chapter again. This is a very important chapter. Okay. Let's finish. अभी यहाँ पे finish करते हैं. Next video we will continue this chapter. Okay children, good day.